Finally, yes! I still have some time to play some video games!
Alright, you remember the plan, right?
Yes, but why did the smarter computer make me wear such tight pants?
Or you could have brought in your own black pants. It was literally just bring your own pants. We're not getting back into this, okay? I'm ringing the doorbell.
Alright, fine.
Right after I wash my hands. Annoying guy, can you get that?
Can't I just get a break?
Thank you, annoying guy. Oh, yes, hello. We are here to repair your television.
Yes, and totally not to import a psychopathic virus. Oh, ow!
Which TV?
The one upstairs?
Okay, but hurry up though, because I want to play some video games before dinner.
Hey, annoying guy, who is at the door?
The TV repairman!
The TV repairman? Hey, wait a minute! Do you guys take cash or credit? Both? Alright, carry on. It's funny. I don't even remember the TV being broken.